Hello everyone, welcome to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my motorcycle sales and services dealership. So this is from Premio Yamaha, and as you can see in the landing page, we have the header, the content of the featured motorcycles, and the footer. So inside this landing page, we have the featured motorcycles. We can hover one of each the motorcycle and we can click on it to see the motorcycle details. We can also see the specifications. We can try to favorite it and add to cart, but since you need to log in, so you can't do that. I think I need to change this. uh, we can use the quick links in here. Also, you can browse while you're not logged in. You can sort it by price and by name. You can select 4 categories here. And let's go back to home. We can go to store. So this is the branch I interviewed, and the store are that are near. You can see this is the list of the store near here in Iligan City. And I haven't done this yet. So let's go back to home, and we can log in or we can sign up. Why not? So John Doe. So you can put 10 digits here, and email. So if you try to register with an existing username, it won't let you. Same goes for email. And when you try to exit in the modal like that, it will show an alert. So it so uh, the data you inputted, it won't disappear if you just accidentally click on out or cancel. So, so let's sign up. There we go. You can click on this profile icon. It will show your information. You can edit on it. See, it will update. Same goes for the name and last name. What you cannot do is you can't edit this username and email. And cancel. This is a cart, so we can add to cart or favorite. We can also add to cart in here or in the landing page. Also, as you can see, we have stock here, so that will only reduce when the purchase is already proceed to checkout. So we can do that. So let's, as you can see, we have 2 available stock. We have 2. Also, you can purchase this since it's out of stock. We have 2 here. So we purchased 3 different motorcycles. And we have the favorite here. We can remove this like that. and let's proceed to checkout. So this is a checkout. We have the order summary, the customer information, and the payment method. So I'm working on PayPal, I think, and I'm trying to find Paymaya since they said they have API for it. So I'm gonna choose this pickup. Since I'm using the Mayahay branch, so I'm gonna put Mayahay store and place an order. So order confirmed. This is the order number, information, and it's on pending. Nice. So you can go back to the history. You can view the details again or continue shopping. It will lead back to the landing page. And I think that's all. I'm gonna show you my super admin. So admin. So this is the the admin stored cart. I forgot to clear. So you can see you can put different motorcycles here, and if when you log out it will stay the same. um oh yeah, orders, and this is the management for the order. See John Doe, the phone number, the email, and a total. So we can view the details here. Spending, cash on pickup. So we can process this. There we go. It moved. It moved to the processing. So we can ready for pickup, and it move again. So we can mark it as complete, and it show completed. We can also cancel. There we go. Cancelled order. And this is the total user that are logged into my website, and this is the motorcycle that has been put in the database. So how many motorcycle listed? So 4 here, 1, 5, 6, and 7. So we can manage the motorcycle here. We can edit and delete. We can also disable the feature so it won't show in the landing page. There we go. We can also disable all. Also, if you edit this out of stock, it will show zero stock if you made the status out of stock. There we go. So let's go back to that. Let's make this available again. And 5. Also, the order has been processed, so it will show 1 and 1 here. Says it's only 2. So I think Honda and Honda, XRM and XRM. We can add new motorcycle here. Let's try Honda. Let's test, test. Price is 100. Stock 1. Featured, yes. We can also add the specification manually. So we can do that. There we go. I think it's done. We can preview the specification we input. Test. So we can also add the specifications. Test. We need to find the test. Add detail. The test again. There we go. We can edit this. Add a test. As you can see, it will show test. Also, I think this is the one. Yeah. So if the motorcycle has the same specification, more than 3, it will show another related products, just like this one. They have like same engine and displacement or bore. As you can see, I'm gonna do this. Yeah, they have the same. So if that shows more than 3, it will go to the related products, and I can add as many as I want here. And dashboard. Yeah, I think that's all for now. Since I'm still working on this one. See, it's broke. So I think that's all, guys. Thank you for watching, and bye.